I'm Dr. Basila Ameer, consultant breast surgeon at KMC, Mangalore. Breast cancer is one of the few cancers where the patient can perform a self-breast examination where they are able to identify breast cancer early. The earliest signs to look for are painless breast lump and lump in the axilla. Another sign to look for is bloodstained nipple discharge. Breast cancer lumps are usually painless. However, some breast cancer lumps may be painful, especially if it has invaded the surrounding structures like nerves or the skin. The earliest sign of breast cancer is a painless breast lump. Some of the other signs to look for are blood-stained nipple discharge. You should see a doctor if you have a painless breast lump or a painless lump in the axilla. You should also see a doctor if you have a blood-stained nipple discharge.